So if the set A contains 4 elements 1, 3, 5, 7, then we say cardinality of A, that means the number of elements of A equal to 4. So symbolically we write n within bracket A equal to 4. Similarly, suppose the set B contains 5 elements, that is 1, 3, 8, 9, 10. So then number of element of B, that is cardinality of B, equal to 5. Now A union B, that is all elements of A as well as B. So first write all the elements of A, that is 1, 3, 5, 7. Now write elements of B. 1 has already been written, so no need to write. Similar case for 3, 8, 9, 10. We have to write 8, 9, 10. So this is A union B. Now, how many number of elements are there? That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So total number of elements in the set A union B, that is 7. So we should write, that is N A union B equal to 7. Similarly, A intersection B, that is common element of A as well as B. So 1, 3. Then cardinality of A intersection B equal to 2. Since this set contains 2 elements, 1 and 3. Now just verify NA plus NB minus N A intersection B. NA, that is 4, plus NB, that is 5, minus NA intersection B, that is 2. So it will be 7. And 7 basically cardinality of A union B. So we can write this is equal to N A union B. So we have got a new formula regarding the cardinality of the set, that is N A union B equal to N A plus N B minus N A intersection B. This is the new formula. So just write down N A union B equal to N A plus N B minus N A intersection B. Similarly, if there are 3 sets like A, B and C, then we have the new formula, that is N A union B union C. That means cardinality of the set A union B union C equal to N A plus N B plus N C. When you take singleton set, sign should be plus. Now, when we are going to take pairwise intersection, sign will be minus. Intersection A and plus. Now intersection of all the sets, that is 3 sets, sign will be again plus. So there is an alternation of sign, plus and minus. First, taking singleton set, that is A, B, C, taking the cardinality of singleton set, we have got plus sign, NA plus NB plus NC. When we take pairwise intersection, the sign will be negative. This is minus. So we should write there minus NA intersection B minus NB intersection C minus NC intersection B. Again, when you are going to take all the sets, that is all the intersection of all sets, that we are going to take the plus sign, that is plus NA intersection B intersection C. So there is an alternation of sign, first plus, then minus, again plus. So this is the formula for cardinality of 3 sets. So these 2 formula are very important to do few practical problems. First one, first we discuss a new problem regarding the formula of n A union B equal to NA plus NB minus N A intersection. That is cardinality of two sets. I will explain the problems in my next video.